Asking questions, a fun speaking lesson. Hello, everyone. Welcome to part two of our fun speaking lesson. We will continue to use WH words, so get ready to practice with me and have some fun. Let's review. The WH words are who, what, when, where, why, and we also use the word how to ask questions. The word who is used to ask about a person. The word what is used to ask about things. The word when is used to ask about time. The word where is used to ask about a place. The word why is used to ask about a reason. And the word how is used to ask about the way something was done. Here are some examples. Who is your teacher? What is your favorite food? When is your birthday? Where do you live? Why are you studying English? How do you go to school? The directions. Look at the picture carefully. Tell what do you see? Then describe the picture in your own words. Next, read the questions and pick the question that goes best with the picture. Let's have some fun. Describe the picture and ask one question. Which question is a good question to ask and why? A, how do you climb up the tree? How did you climb up the tree? B, how do trees eat breakfast? The best answer is how did you climb up the tree? Describe the picture and ask one question. Very good. Which question is a good question to ask and why? A, why do birds sing in the morning? B, why do the baby sharks wear swimsuits? Why do the baby sharks wear swimsuits? That's a best question to ask. Explain why. Describe the picture and ask one question. Which question is a good question to ask and why? A, where did the snowman get the marshmallows? B, where do fish go to school? A good question to ask is, where did the snowmen get their marshmallows? Don't forget, explain why that's a great question. Describe the picture and ask one question. Wonderful. Which question is a good question to ask? A, what makes the moon change shapes? B, what is the giraffe going to put on the spaghetti? The best question to ask is, what is the giraffe going to put on the spaghetti? Don't forget, explain why that is a great question. You did it! Another amazing job done by you. Way good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Be sure to check out the other lessons too. See you next time. Bye.